Have you ever needed to get your money from your Venmo balance into your Apple Wallet to use with Apple Pay? It's a common situation, but the process isn't as straightforward as you might think. Unlike a direct transfer, you can't simply move funds from Venmo directly into your Apple Cash account. But don't worry, there are a couple of workarounds to get the job done. So, how exactly do you make this happen? There are two main methods to bridge the gap between Venmo and Apple Pay. The first method is to use a Venmo debit card, and the second involves your bank account as a middleman. Let's break down each option. Method 1. Using the Venmo debit card. This is the most direct approach. If you have the Venmo debit card, you can add it to your Apple Wallet just like any other debit card. This allows you to use your Venmo balance for purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted. To do this, simply open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus symbol icon. From there, select Debit Card and follow the on-screen prompts to add your Venmo debit card details. Once added, you're all set. Any payments you make using this card in your Apple Wallet will pull directly from your Venmo balance. Method 2. Using your bank account. If you don't have a Venmo debit card, this method is for you. The process involves a two-step transfer. Step 1. Transfer your funds from Venmo to your bank account. Open the Venmo app and go to the Manage Balance section. Choose the option to transfer to a bank account. You can choose a standard transfer, which is free but can take 1 to 3 business days, or an instant transfer, which has a small fee but moves the money almost immediately. Step 2. Add money from your bank account to your Apple Cash. Once the funds have cleared in your bank account, open your Apple Wallet. Select your Apple Cash card, tap the 3 dots, and choose Add Money. From here, you can select your linked bank account to transfer the desired amount into your Apple Cash balance. And that's it. Both of these methods allow you to effectively get your Venmo funds into a position where you can use them with Apple Pay. Whether you have the debit card for a quick and easy solution or prefer to use your bank account as a go-between, you can now manage your money with more flexibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.